Hello. Oops, sweet. Pretty good music to help this pretty good. Wait, I forgot some ingredients. Be right back. Wait, be right back. I have to tell my dad to put the volume. Sorry, I'm sorry. We keep pausing. Okay, we're gonna be cooking all together. Well, we make a simple salad. So here comes our security guard to make everything sure everything's safe. Taster. Customer. Everyone's customer except me. And helper. Okay, let's bring the big one. Oops. Well, who cares? They're just customers. It's gonna be different songs, okay? So, be different songs in this vid. Sorry. But tomorrow I'm going to Los Angeles. Because I live right now. I'm living in Phoenix, Arizona. Well, give a sec to get this thing out. Sorry, little six. Big old salad. Good. I mean salad. Whatever that thing is called. I don't know. Lettuce. Sorry, I'm just 9. I'm just 9 years old. Okay. My sister's 6. She just turned 6 yesterday, June 4th.
Okay, I'm getting the tomatoes.
Good. We're not ready for tomatoes. Can you hold the camera, please? And I'll hold the camera for today. Promise.
Do I show what you're doing?
Of course. Yes, I'm a bat, but there's some fruit bats. How cool. Not so cool. I'm going to stay for you guys, but for me it is because I love animals. Not so girly. I don't really like Barbie and princesses. It's my opinion. I have a PS drawing. No mistake, but if I show it to you, maybe you guys will start a fight. I don't want any fights in these videos. One day someone called me a bully. Like, I hope it hurts, bully. Like, it made no sense. I forgot the name. This guy named me and my awesomeness. I think it's a girl. I'm not sure. Here comes Shine Bright Like a Diamond. My sister's favorite song. And let it go. Oops. These letters right there. I'll pick that up later. This is gonna come this song that is really confusing. So please don't tell me what song it is. It's one of my parents. It's his favorite song, I guess. So never heard it. It's taking forever, I'm sorry. So let us find it. This is like green. I'm gonna get the materials later. Okay, and then there's bully me and my awesomeness. He's really. He said, or he said bad words, and from other people. Yeah, it's psychic. YouTube is really awesomeness. So, Mr. and Mrs. Me and my awesomeness watching this. I'm gonna put put one of these like that. For me and for being a baby. Don't think it'll be bully to me. Like some people. And I have proof because someone had to flip their card because they pushed me. It's a he, a boy pushed me.
Ow.
Lots of lettuce. Who doesn't like lettuce? Biggest salad in the middle. I kind of should chat a little. I don't really chat a lot. Take this part. You don't see this part. No this part allowed. No. Look. Hey, no part there. There, see? You don't want to eat that part. If you say anything about I didn't play with you, it is because I didn't want to play with you. I was very busy.
Leslie, you just said that.
I know. Who cares? It's not the end of the world. We're almost done, people. Sorry, that was a long one. Now for the tomatoes. You can put as many tomatoes. I love tomatoes. Little baby ones. Take a bunch. Here. Put it everywhere. Like a nest. Time for the ranch. Now we're gonna mix it. And tomorrow I'm gonna make a special called my peanut butter salad with lots of ingredients. It's a little gross. It looks gross, but it's actually good. It tastes big. This is a song I have no idea. Oh my God, Poppy! How do you open the door? Poppy! How do you open the door? Come on in.
Okay.
Look at him!
Now he's over here. He's so cute.
That's your opinion. Yeah, I think he's cute too. Some other people might not think he's cute.
Yeah.
But since I love animals, for me, of course, he's gonna be cute.
Me too.
She's not really a nature fan, trust me. If she was, if she would have watched some of the animal shows, I'm gonna say, nah, I want to. He's born.
Is this because I don't want to watch sometimes?
Sometimes you never.
Oh, yes, I do. I draw about nature, too.
Wait, what's that in church?
I draw.
You draw?
Yes.
Of course.
But it's about nature, too, sometimes.
Sometimes. I always. I even draw a PS and things, but they don't really turn out good. So I'm not lefty. Okay, my favorite color is...
Ooh, green! My favorite color.
Also no.
Sí, ves, siempre un plato. El ranch pero el ranch siempre se pone separado por las es hecha ya cuando te lo quieres en tu plato. Pero está bien, yo me puedo llevar el resto mañana. Y métele lo demás al refri antes de que lo hagas esto. Ven, no. Corre, mete las cosas. Mete la lechuga, regresa todo eso, leche. ¿Cómo lo cortaste? No, así no se corta. Ahora de aquí te vas a servir en un plato, ¿ok? No te sirves mucho, mi amor. Le pregunto a ella a ver si quiere.
No way.
¿Por qué?
Not esto, but like salad with nothing, yes.
Esta está bien rica.
Leslie, do I pause this video?
No, you don't pause it.
Oh yeah, the customers are coming. A whole bunch of customers.
Unpause it, please.
And I didn't pause it.
Okay, then hold the camera. Can you please hold the camera? Or should I take the tablet? You don't need those. I think them that much. Those, ignore them. They're not gonna come.
Hey, who says we cannot come?
This is enough. Wait.
That's like one, two.
We're not doing math right now. Yeah, we're not doing math. The only faster way is doing it by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
And those are
13.
not customers.
These aren't.
1, 2,
Okay,
3, 4, 5, 6,
we're done.
7.
Naya, stop acting like a brat, please.
Sorry.
I don't think she knows it's a brat. No, please. Can you hold it? No, hold it for me.
I always hold the camera for you. Yes, I do. I hold the camera sometimes for you when you're making your videos. And
Very good, very good.
Okay, my hands are tired already. They go drop the. They
Hey,
go
stop
drop.
being a brat.
10.
You know people
9.
are watching this. So don't be a brat, please, in my video, or else I'll be mean to your video. You go like, bam, bam, stuff like that, and make you run. You always run my videos, come on.
That's why
I can't wait until my dad takes my tablet. It's not broken, it's just that the standard doesn't, it just broke off.
mine's too.
And that. Very good.
Yay! The heat's now free. Now I can make my video.
Okay, go. Good thing I recorded this stuff to show how mean you are.